Hi, my name's Susan. I wanted to make this quick video to help show you how to improve your ranking on Google. So I'm here at your website and I go ahead and copy your URL to this tool that I use to check headings tags. The heading tags are important because they tell Google what your site's about. So if Google knows what your site's about, then they know what to rank it for. So you'll see here I have your URL, and then we come down here to the H1 tags, and you'll see you actually don't have any H1 tags. So the H1 is like the main heading on your website, which in your case would be instead of here, or it would be down here, maybe above it. It's really the first thing that Google sees on the page to determine what it's about. The other item that goes hand in hand is the metadata. So the metadata is when you do a Google search. I did one here for Sonoma County landscaping. It's these blue lines. These are the metadata. So you can see that the top guy is talking about Sonoma County landscaping, and that's why they're in the top position. So when we pull yours, you're not really found anywhere in Google for Sonoma County landscapers or anything like that, because right now your title page, if you come up here, is landscaping services for Sonoma County, Garden of Ease, and then you have here Garden Ease, landscaping firm. So basically here, what you really need to have is you need to have the city or county plus the service. So you really need to have like Sonoma County landscaping and then Garden of Ease. So it's not bad, but then this needs to match, and as well as your H1. So all of those need to match, because right now I bet you if you Googled Garden of Ease, this landscaping services for Sonoma County Garden of Ease with the whole thing, you'd come up top one, right? But no one's going to know to Google Garden of Ease when they're looking for a landscaper. They're going to Google Sonoma County landscaper, landscaper near me, landscaping companies, landscaping architects, similar keyword. So those are just a couple of things I wanted to help you see. Just these small little changes really help you rank. And also, if you ever want to check your rank, don't use Google, because a lot of business owners, they'll Google their company keyword and look for themselves. And then as weeks go by, they keep checking like Sonoma County landscaping, and then slowly Google's going to start moving you up because they already know what you're looking for. So instead, I actually use this third-party tool. It's called Rank Tracker. And you can get a free subscription for a month if you want. But anyway, you put in your URL and then you put in your keywords, and you'll see I went ahead and put Garden of Ease, and you're ranking #1 for that. But again, nobody's going to Google that, because nobody knows to Google that when they're looking for a landscaper. They're going to Google things like Sonoma County Landscaping, Sonoma County Landscaping Company, Santa Rosa Landscaping, so all these. And you can see here you're ranking 41, so that's like the page 5, 74, that's like page 8. So really, we can really help you rank super fast once you add an H1 and then have your H1 metadata syncing, and then that way it's crystal clear to Google what your site's about. And I really like this look of your website. I really like, looks like you're a great company, like to support small businesses, women. I would love to help you fix your website and make it a little bit more appealing with some ways to make it rank faster. And really, it could really increase your income by a significant amount, because really 90% of the traffic is on page 1. Most people don't check past page 1 when they're Googling something. I mean, I know I definitely don't. If you have any questions, just reply to this email. Let's get you onto the first page of Google, and let's get your phone ringing. Thank you so much for your time, and I wish you much success.